Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into the end. I'm your host P5, aka Pressure Bust Pipes, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That, guys. It's the first one of the new year, so I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna go around the camera, come back in, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for TV. Happy New Year, gang. Let's get it. Oh, look at the ham. Alright, I'm in. Let me do a little zip up and then we're gonna get into it. Jesus Christ, guys, it's freezing out here. Let me give you the little twirl to the RJ. Alright, guys, what we have here today is this CP Company hooded sweatshirt. Should we get into it? Let's get into it. We'll start where I always like to start, which is the waist. The waist is right there, as you can see. There's my waist. It comes just a bit below the waist, as you can see right there. All right, let's start at the cuffages. Little bit of cuffage love there. As you can see, you have these thinly ribbed cuffages. They're not too tight on the wrist, so they've got a bit of movement. You know, you can put a couple fingers in there and you're good to go. Can we say pause, everyone? Pause. So yeah, cuffages, equilibrium's a beautiful thing, and they are exactly the same. Okay, moving on to the body. As you can see, it's this sand kind of color right now. As I go through the video, you might notice these oil stains that I've managed to occur, God knows how, where, whatever. Maybe I just got holes in my mouth and I can't eat properly, but anyway, I will be getting them out or I'll be dyeing it. Let's get back on track. Okay, so left hand side, right hand side, you have these zip up pockets right here, and they come down rather than across. So as you can see, let me just give you that, down, up, and they've got these sort of, I don't know, kind of a bit elasticy zip pulls right there. You've got your nice little zippers right there. Okay, let me step back. Of course, you see the zip strip. This is zip, and it goes all the way up to the roof. Sorry, not the roof, the base of the neck right there. And it's got this zip strip. And if you look at the zip strip, it's kind of got that sort of nylon metal kind of embellishment there that you might see on a crinkle reps jacket, or even a flammy lock. Yeah, flammy lock, lammy flock. Excellent. What the hell is a flammy lock, guys? Anyway, so yeah, very nice details. Of course, you've got these panels right here, which are of a sort of nylon-y material. Can you hear that? A bit of a nylon-y material, and that follows all the way around, as you can see, right there, to the back. Of course, looking at this, you have the beautiful goggles in their goggleness. Really, really nice. Of course, you pull that down, you know, descending out of space to find the human race. Goggles as you do. Goggles beautiful in all their goggleness. Of course, you have the drawstrings right here. And you got these sort of metal aglets right there. It's not really metal, but maybe it is a little bit of metal, agletins there. Let me just give you the close-up so you can see. My hands are all shriveled and dried. This cold is not doing wonders for my skin. But yeah, aglets right there. Very, very nice. What else do we have here? Not much. Let me see. I'm just going to take this off so you can have a little look at the guts, the innards. Of course, you have your CP Company right there. You have this sort of soft kind of fleecy inner right there. This is 100% cotton. Of course, you have all of your labels and etc. Certi logo right there. Let me see. Yeah, that is really it, guys. Not much more. Really nice piece. I wear this a lot, hence all the stains. I'm probably going to dye it. We'll see if I can actually get the stains out. I found a new method which I'm going to test out, and yeah, guys, this has been a CP Company, no fuss, no bother, hooded sweatshirt in sand. And yeah, as you can see, very nice piece. I'll give you a little bend, give you a little twirl out there. Yeah, and we're good to go, guys. Thank you for watching. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host, P-Fire, aka P is for and that's with a P, and this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That, as I already mentioned. Guys, this has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into the end. Thank you for watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe,